Hi friends! So, for those of you that have been watching my channel for longer than a month, you have met Henry! And now he's dying. I thought that I got rid of all of the root rot already, but apparently I didn't, and there's more that's back, and now it's all wilty again, and I'm so sad. So I'm gonna show you guys how I hopefully can revive my pet plant. For those of you that don't know, Henry is my aloe plant, and I live in a bus. All of that brown stuff, I'm just gonna go ahead and chop that off. I thought I got all of it last time, but I clearly didn't, because look at this leaf. It's so droopy and sad. This one's all droopy and sad. It's just a droopy and sad time. I also am just now realizing that I don't have a good way to angle you at all to see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna do my best. Sorry if this sucks. That little bit of brown stuff, I'm just gonna shave that off with my X-Acto knife. I think I've gotten all of the brown spots off. Hopefully I didn't just kill Henry, but I'm going to put it back in the pot. I'm not gonna water it for at least 2 weeks, and yeah, we're gonna see. I also have a little crystal that I'm gonna put in there. It's supposed to heal. So there you go. Good luck, Henry. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any video suggestions for me, or recipe ideas, or anything that you want me to try, let me know down in the comments below. If you've made it this far, I hope that you have a fantastic rest of your day. Mwah! Bye.